Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how I make sesame balls. This sesame balls that I made first time is filled with Ube Halaya or purple yam. Guys, I wish you're here and taste this. This is the best I have ever made first time. This is gonna be my favorite dessert from now on, and it's perfect for my cinnamon apple tea. I can't wait to share with you how I make this. So guys, stay tuned. So for our filling, I used ready-made purple yam, or known in the Philippines as Ube Halaya. And this is what we're gonna use as filling for our sesame balls today. Now for the dough, I use glutinous rice flour, sugar, sweet potato, and hot water. We also gonna need oil and sesame seeds later on. And for the exact measurements of the ingredients, I put it on the description box below. And remember to always wash your hands before we handle with our food. And this is it, guys. Isn't it gorgeously done and delicious too? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the like and notification bell button so that you will be updated for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.